In today's science class, we are going to start our lesson 5.3. The name of our lesson is Pushes and Pulls Around Us. As we have discussed earlier, the push and pull are forces. Push and pull are forces. Even if we want to open a door, we apply a force. When we want to open the door, we we apply pull force on the door. When we want to close the door, we apply push force on the door. When we want to close the door, we apply push force. Here in this lesson, we are going to discuss the same, the pushes and pulls around us. Around us means near us, in our house. One more example I have given you people of drawer. When we want to open the drawer, we apply pull force, and when we want to close the drawer, we will apply push force. Like this, I'm opening the drawer, I'm applying pull force. When I'm closing the drawer, I am applying the push force. Here in your lesson, this bulldozer is pushing. Look here, you can see this vehicle is called bulldozer, and it is pushing. It is pushing the rocks and the mud away. It is making the space to build something, to make a house or a building. Before that, they are pushing all the rocks, all the dirt that is there. They are making the place smooth so that they can build house or buildings there. Okay, so the name of this vehicle is bulldozer. What is this name of this vehicle? Bulldozer. It is used to push things away. It is used to push the rocks and materials away. Understood? What other machines push or pull to make things? There are a lot of things like a flag pole. When we want to put a flag up, what we do? We pull. We pull the pole up. When we want to bring it down, we use push force. Okay? Coming back to your next page, activity 5.3, push or pull. Look around your classroom. Can you see things you can push or pull? Okay, now you are in home, so you can look around. What are the things that you apply on them? Push force, and what are the things you apply? Pull force. Even when we are touching or pressing the buttons of keyboard in our laptop, in our tablets, in our iPads, in our phones, we apply push force. Even when we touch our touch screens, we use push force. As you can see here, the door, it is written pull. In the last year, we have did an activity in which the boys have brought the sticky diaries, and they have put on the things by writing on them whether it is push or a pull. So when we want to open the door, we are going to apply a pull force. When we want to close the door, we are going to apply push force. When we will push, the door will close. Other examples are of chalk and the blackboard. When someone use a blackboard or a whiteboard with the marker, what they do? They push the ink on the board. in order to write. Understood? Can you see things you can push or pull? There are a lot of things. Even our pen, when we are writing, the ink is pushed in the nib. Okay, this is the easy example. Try to push or pull them where you write. Label the things that you can find. If we were in the classroom, we would have done this activity in the class. But now, while you are in home, you can take a sticky note notebook, write on them push and pull, and you can apply on different things. Before, you have to check whether we are applying on it a push force or a pull force. Why do some things not move when you push them? Here is an example of rock. When we push a heavy things, they do not move because they are heavy. They are heavy and they stick on the same place. Even if the surface is rigid, when we push something, it is not going to move away. It is not going to move away. So it is very hard to apply push force on rigid and rough surface. On rigid and rough surface. Here, like this stone, when I'm going to go and push it, it is not going to move. Why it is not going to move? First of all, it is very heavy. It needs more push force. Means if we want to push it, we will use a bulldozer or a crane, because in a human there is not that much of energy to push a rock and it will move. We have to push and pull to make things work. Yes, in our daily life, we have to push or pull things to make things work. When we are riding a bicycle, what we are doing, we are pushing the pedals. We are pushing the pedals. When we are driving a car also, there is, we have to push the gear and we have to push the steering, where even the paddles we have to push them with our foot. Okay, here is a presentation. Forces, pull or push. As we have discussed earlier, what are push and pull? Push and pull are forces. Here in the cart, here are two monkeys and they have cart of bananas. So this monkey is pulling the cart. What he is doing? He is pulling. He is applying the force pull. When we want to apply the pull force, when we want to move things towards us, we apply pull force. When we want to move things away from us, we apply push force. So the cart is heavy, so there are two monkeys. One of them is applying push force and one of them is applying pull force. Understood? Okay. Here, the monkey is pushing or pulling a banana. What he is doing, boys? See the picture and tell me what he is doing. Pushing or pulling. Yes, Abudi.
Bus.
Yes, he is
Bus.
pushing a
Bus.
banana cart. He is pushing a banana cart. Okay, Hamza. The monkey is, which force he is applying, pushing or pulling? Is he pushing or pulling?
Pulling.
Push. He is pushing. Pushing a leaf. Pushing a banana leaf. Okay. A monkey is opening the door. Yes, Sultan.
Pull.
He is pulling the door or pushing the door.
Teacher.
Yes, Sultan. What he is doing? He is pulling the door or pushing the door.
The door.
He is pulling the door. He is pulling the door towards him to make the door open. Okay, next. The monkey is with the cart. What he is doing? Pulling the cart or pushing the cart.
Bush.
He is pushing the cart. Yes,
Pushing.
Ahmed. He is pushing the cart.
Pushing.
Good boy. Okay, next. Here, the monkey is pulling or pushing a baby carriage. What he is doing?
Pushing.
He is pushing a baby cart. Okay, here in this picture, the monkey is pulling the branch of bananas or pushing the branch of banana.
Pull.
The monkey is pulling the banana. The monkey is pulling the banana. Okay, Abdulaziz. Monkey is dash the drawer. What he is doing with the drawer? Pulling or pushing?
Pulling.
Yes, he is pulling the drawer. Okay,
Pull.
Khalid. The monkey is pulling the bus, train, or a plane. He is pushing the train. He is pushing the train. Okay.
Train.
What is monkey A doing? Pulling the rope or pushing the rope?
Pulling the rope.
Yes, both of the monkey A and monkey B is pulling a rope towards them. Okay, swing. What is monkey A doing? Pulling the swing or pushing the swing?
Pushing the swing.
Pushing the swing. What about monkey B? Is he pulling the swing or pushing the swing? This monkey now, monkey number B. What he is doing?
Pulling.
He is pulling. First one is
Pulling.
pushing. A is pushing and B is pulling the swing. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Push and pull are forces. Look at each picture, write push if you would like to. Push to move the object. Write pull if you would pull to move it. Number one. Wait, let me make it bigger. So here, what is girl doing? Pushing or pulling? Ahmed, what
Pull.
is girl doing? She is pushing. She is
Yes,
pushing the.
teacher.
What
Yes,
is girl
teacher.
doing? Pushing or pulling?
Pushing.
She is pushing. Okay, number three.
Yes,
When we
teacher.
go in the car in
Yes.
the supermarket, what do we do with this cart? We push or a pull? We push them.
Push.
We push them. Okay, number four.
Push.
The boy is riding
Yes.
a bicycle. What he is doing? Pushing or pulling? Abdurrahman Wala, tell us. What
Pushing.
is boy doing with the bicycle when he is riding
Pushing.
the bicycle? Pushing. Yes, correct. Okay, number 5. Here, the rope of the dog. What do we do with this? Push or pull? Pull. What we do? Pull.
Bull.
Okay, number 6. Flying a kite. Push or a pull?
Bull.
Pull. Swings.
Bull.
No, when we sit, someone is pushing us. The one who is sitting on the swing is pulling the swing.
Bull.
Okay. Picking up flower is push or pull? It is pull. Picking up flower is pull. Number 9. Push or a pull? What is boy doing with the ball? The boy is pushing the ball. The boy is pushing the ball. Okay,
Bush.
number 10. Push or a pull? The man is pushing the rope or pulling the
Bull.
rope? The man
Bull.
is pulling the